Calcium is by far the most abundant mineral in the human body. An adult's body contains more than 1 kilogram of it, 99% of which is found in bones and teeth, and the remaining 1% in soft tissues, blood, and extracellular fluids. Calcium is a regulator of vital activities and the source of human life. It plays a key role in maintaining the physiological functions of the circulatory system, respiratory system, nervous system, endocrine system, blood system, muscular system, skeletal system, urinary system, and immune system. No system in the human body is completely independent of calcium. Calcium deficiency is therefore to be taken very seriously because it is related to the occurrence of 109 different diseases. If you are a middle-aged or elderly person and you lack calcium, you may be suffering from one or more of the following conditions: apathy, hypodynamia, general weakness, muscle cramps, frequent waist and back pain, insomnia, weak immune system and frequent flus, osteoarthritis, osteomalacia, osteoporosis, constipation, severe decline in sexual function, dysmenorrhea, cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, stones, and the list goes on. In pregnant and breastfeeding women, the effects of this deficiency can be even more serious. We can add dizziness, anemia, weakening and loss of teeth, edema, prenatal hypertension syndrome, which inevitably leads to a cesarean section to give birth, and the list goes on. What can you do to restore your full health? You must absolutely supply your calcium needs from today. It should be noted, however, that the claim that calcium deficiency can be avoided by eating properly is a common mistake. In fact, many factors influence calcium absorption, such as the calcium-phosphorus ratio, the cooking temperature of our food, the digestive mechanism, etc. Calcium absorption also requires a combination with other vitamins and minerals to be effective. To overcome all of these factors, Tian's group has developed an organic calcium based on ox bones through cutting-edge bioengineering. It is called the Tian's Nutrient Super Calcium Powder. Enriched with mineral salts, proteins, amino acids, vitamins, including vitamin D, magnesium, and manganese, the 2-to-1 calcium-phosphorus ratio is also scientifically respected. By meeting your daily nutritional needs with Tian's Nutrient Super Calcium Powder, you'll feel so great and will notice after only a short time that your body is getting back to its optimal energy and functioning well, and that you are looking younger. Your sexual functions will be revitalized. Tian's calcium, with an absorption rate of 95%, strengthens your bones and prevents osteoporosis and fractures that occur as you get older. It prevents cardiovascular diseases such as arteriosclerosis and hypertension because it helps regulate your heart rate. It allows you to maintain a good weight because it prevents the accumulation of fat in adipose tissues. It prevents colorectal cancer. In pregnant women, this calcium will prevent prenatal hypertension syndrome, inhibit inflammation and edema, facilitate coagulation during childbirth. The benefits of calcium are multiple. Calcium is simply life. Supplement your daily calcium needs with Tian's Nutrient Super Calcium Powder to ensure the full blooming of your health. The dosage is 1 bag, twice a day, and a glass of lukewarm water.